All right, here I have my 2008 Mini Cooper push start, and this caused a little bit of challenge, but here at the Audio Clinic we're gonna attempt to there it is, remote started.
Oh, it's magic.
Never been done, of course. It's like magic here.
Oh, it's magic.
You can hear the car running. I'm gonna shut it down now. There you go. Everything is maintained factory OEM style. Let's see if we can get this ignition coming on. Get a glimpse of it. Car just started again. The ignition comes on. See, the car is actually running. Shut it down once again. Car shuts down. Tap goes down. Another first at the Audio Clinic. So it is what it is.